Hi, I'm Elijah. My press name is Glass Creature Editions, and I'm here at Big River Bindery to talk about pressure printing. Pressure printing is a process that uses a flat surface brought up to type high, and then layers of paper or stickers or any other kind of flat material built up to create imagery. So you can cut shapes out of paper, you can use any kind of stickers like this. I've also used tape to build up layers, and the idea is that the thicker the area, the darker it prints. And what's interesting about pressure printing is it gives you this very soft texture, and then as well, when you build up a darker, thicker area, you tend to get this white halo around. So, clear this stuff off. We're using a piece of acrylic, plexiglass, which has been brought up to type high. You can use really any kind of flat surface, like you could use like a lino block, as long as it's brought up to type high. The plexi is nice because it's sturdy, nice and flat, isn't gonna scratch up. And did you see that? I put my matrix away with all the stuff. Okay, you take your matrix that you've made, place it behind the paper that you're printing on, and run it through the press. I like to also cut out parts of my backing paper to really get those lighter areas for more contrast. I'm going to do another one. Yeah, I was going to do a ghost print. Hopefully it works. Alright, if you take a print and then raise your rollers at the end of the press bed as you go back over, the image is kind of left on the plexiglass. It's very difficult to see, but it's a very faint, almost impression of our print. And what you can do with that is if you take a few layers of paper to kind of build up that pressure, you should be able to get a ghost print. Which is kind of faint, but it's a nice kind of subtle effect. And then you can either add letterpress text on top of that, it's like a nice background. You can integrate text into your actual design. So lots of options and things that you can do with pressure printing.